Hello everybody, myself B. Suhas and I am from ITB and my topic is Visual Analytics for Explainable Deep Learning. Deep learning has recently seen rapid development and significant attention due to its state-of-the-art performance on previously thought hard problems. However, because of the innate complexity and non-linear structure of deep neural networks, the underlying decision-making process for why these models are achieving such high performance are challenging and sometimes mystifying to interrupt. As deep learning spreads across domains, it is of permanent importance that we equip users of deep learning with tools for understanding when a model works correctly, and when it fails, and ultimately how to improve its performance. Standardized toolkits or building neural networks have helped democratize deep learning. Visual analytics systems have now been developed to support model explanation, interpretation, debugging, and improvement. We present a survey of the role of visual analytics in deep learning research, noting its short yet impactful history, and summarize the state of the art using a human-centered interrogative framework, focusing on the 5 W's and how, why, who, what, how, when, and where. To thoroughly summarize deep learning visual analytics research, we conclude by highlighting research directions and open research problems. This survey helps new researchers and practitioners in both visual analytics and deep learning to quickly learn key aspects of this young and rapidly growing body of research whose impact spans a diverse range of domains. And these are the 5 W's and how we discussed previously. Why would one want to use visualization in deep learning? What data, features, and relationships in deep learning can be visualized? When in the deep learning process in visualization used? Who would use and benefit from visualizing deep learning, and how can we visualize deep learning data, features, and relationships, and where has deep learning visualization been used? And these all the answers for why, what, when, who, how, and where are described below the terminology. And this is the diagram, and this is the visual analytics in deep learning can be observed for few seconds. Overview of representative works in visual analytics for deep learning. Each row is one work. Works are sorted alphabetically by first author's last name. Each column corresponds to a subsection from the 6 interrogative questions. A work's relevant subsection is indicated by a colored cell. A conclusion. We represent Explainer, a framework for interactive and explainable machine learning, capturing the theoretical and practical state of the third in the field. As a core concept of our XIA framework, we define the XIA pipeline, which maps the XIA process to an iterative workflow of 3 stages: model understanding, diagnosis, and refinement. By determining additional global monitoring and steering mechanisms, we extended the XIA pipeline by overarching tools and qualitative metrics to show the practical relevance of our framework. We instantiated it in an actual system. Besides the 3 stages of a XIA pipeline, the implementation covers global monitoring and steering mechanisms by providing preference, tracking, as well as an additional reporting step. To test the usability and usefulness of a tool, we performed a user study with 9 participants coming from different user groups. The user found our system to be initiative and helpful and considered an integration in the daily work flow. Thank you.